Hello everybody, how are you? Today I will introduce best top 5 posture corrector. Product number 1, RESTCLOUD neck and shoulder relaxer cervical traction device for TMJ pain relief and cervical spine alignment. Chiropractic Philo neck stretcher black. Rating 4.2 out of 5. 78,722 global ratings. 5 star 59%, 4 star 20%, 3 star 11%, 2 star 4%, 1 star 6%. Price is only around 17 USD. Image and video of this product. Product number 2, TRUWEO posture corrector for men and women. Adjustable upper back brace for clavicle to support neck, back and shoulder. Universal fit US design pattern. 3.9 out of 5. 76,525 global ratings. 5 star 48%, 4 star 20%, 3 star 16%, 2 star 7%, 1 star 9%. Price is only around 10 USD. Image and video of this product. Product number 3, ComfyBrace posture Corrector-Back brace for men and women. Fully adjustable strainer for mid, upper, spine, support, neck, shoulder, clavicle and back pain relief breathable. Ranking 4 out of 5. 42,648 global ratings. 5 star 53%, 4 star 70%, 3 star 13%, 2 star 7%, 1 star 10%. Price is only around 20 USD. Image of this product. Product number 4, posture corrector for men and women. Bodywellness fixed upper back brace for clavicle support, adjustable back strainer and providing pain relief from neck, back and shoulder under clothes regular. Rating 3.8 out of 5. 41,282 global ratings. 5 star 46%, 4 star 19%, 3 star 16%, 2 star 8%, 1 star 11%. Price is only around 10 USD. Image and video of this product. Product number 5, Schiara posture corrector for men and women, comfortable upper and back brace, adjustable back, straightener, support for back, shoulder and neck. Rating 4.1 out of 5. 5 star 58%, 4 star 17%, 3 star 11%, 2 star 6%, 1 star 8%. Price is only around 17 USD. Image and video of this product. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and check out the description to find the product links.